welcome back to my channel today, guys. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a computer just too easy. First, you build that here, okay? A computer. Okay, the computer is just easy. So you, what the hell, can want to sleep. Before we start, let's get sleep now. Oh, I'm getting so sleepy. Oh. So we're sleeping now. So it's now. So today is gonna be a great show. One up there, 1, 2, 2 up there, 1 up there, and the one up there is, get it out. Nope. So like that. Like that. 2 of them. So you need like that. And put like that. Okay. Now you get some rail. You can just choose what you want print. Okay. And Minecraft. We put the pressure plates. Where is it? There is it, pressure plates. What the hell? So pressure plates like that. So this is a computer, guys. So that's a pressure plate. Okay. Next is we put that here and let's go. And there is stuck. Now it's stuck right now. And put the orange one and get out this up. Okay. See? It worked. It really works. So like that. So see? Now you have some computer. Oh man. Oh man, this is not so great. Let's do it again, shall we? Not a game. Do not do that again. I'm warning you. I'm warning. If you do that again, so you get some laptop at there. So no more like that. So this is a laptop. Looks like a nutbrick. Looks like a television show. No, we don't like that. You like computers, am I right? Just we like that. So we have some computer. Charan. Yung ano, iba to. So, like that. So, wait lang, may. Make sure to like and subscribe. So, bye!